Ace Guy had a great year. I mean, it just came down to the last race. Points could have went anyway. There was the top 4 guys in the overall points. It was amazing just how to watch how it changed lap by lap out there at the race race at the river, because it really made a difference on some of these guys just on their lap times, just how close it was, on whether it was the lap leader or if they had a DNF. It was pretty close. But the Class 7 champion, he's got a check for $1,440. John Lee.
Definitely was family racing. All the crew that comes out and help was all family and friends. We had a great time. The Cedar City race was awesome. All the races all year long was a lot of fun. Like you said, it came down to the last race, and we knew that we had to go out and charge hard. We were chasing 4 other guys, and it came down to fast laps and finishing. So congratulations to Bud. He killed it this year. That was awesome. I got to thank Mark Johnson Race Prep for prepping a fantastic truck, and the Robinson family, Tuhawke over here in Sandy Valley, the best alfalfa in Nevada. Bill Stein Shocks, Jungle Tire, Method Wheels, Jessica Armstrong for helping me out on keeping me halfway publicly friendly. And then I sold the truck, or the truck's for sale. I've got commitments for this year, and I'm not able to race. I'm going to ride the dirt bike a little bit. I'd like to donate my check to the Wounded Warriors for the race